XRP investors. This might leave you empty-handed. What if I told you that your investment in XRP could end up being worth nothing? That's the harsh reality many investors are facing. A report suggests that over 70% of XRP investors are currently sitting on losses. In this video, I will tell you the factors that could potentially prevent XRP investors from making any money at all, leaving them empty-handed. Stick around with me as I will also compare XRP to other cryptos, and let me tell you, XRP investors, it's not that bad. Regulatory uncertainty. Okay, one of the biggest threats to XRP's success is, of course, the ongoing legal battle between Ripple, the company behind XRP, and the SEC. In August, the case has taken several twists and turns, with both sides presenting their arguments in court. The investors are left anxiously awaiting a verdict that could either clear the path for XRP or throw it into regulatory limbo. The court's decision is still pending, but this whole lawsuit thing has already caused huge volatility in XRP's price. In just the past year alone, XRP's value has fluctuated wildly, with a 30% drop following the SEC's initial filing in December 2020. XRP's price has been hovering around 52 cents to 58 cents from a while now, significantly lower than its all-time high of $3.84 reached in early 2018. In a recent ruling from the Southern District of New York, the court stated that XRP does not meet the definition of a security when traded on public exchanges. Interestingly, the same ruling indicated that Ripple's sales of XRP to institutional investors did meet the definition of a security. I mean, come on. This mixed verdict has left many of us wondering where XRP stands in the regulatory landscape. Despite the challenges, I will be honest, there are signs of progress. The recent passage of the FIT21 bill by the U.S. House of Representatives is seen as a big step toward establishing clearer regulations for digital assets. The pro-XRP lawyer, Bill Morgan, remains optimistic about the crypto's potential, citing increased adoption and regulatory clarity as positive signs. The reality is that many investors are still sitting on the sidelines, waiting for a clearer picture. Market sentiment. Anyway, market sentiment is another crucial factor, I think, that can make or break an investment in XRP. As we've seen in recent years, the crypto market is highly sensitive to news and events, and of course, XRP is no exception. In 2021, for instance, the announcement of a partnership between Ripple and MoneyGram sent XRP's price soaring by over 50%. However, this gain was quickly erased when the partnership was later terminated. You see how quickly the market changes. To calculate the potential impact of market sentiment on XRP's price, let's consider a hypothetical scenario. Imagine you invested $1,000 in XRP at the beginning of 2021. If the MoneyGram partnership had been successful and XRP's price had increased by 50%, your investment would have been worth something $1,500. But when the partnership was terminated and XRP's price dropped back down, your investment would have been worth only $500, a 50% loss. Take another example of Ripple's recent sales of XRP. Just a few weeks ago, Ripple sold 150 million XRP from its reserves, generating a whopping $78 million. You'd think that would be a cause for celebration, right? Well, not quite. Instead, it sent ripples, pun intended, of concern through the investor community. Many began to wonder, is Ripple cashing out? What does this mean for the future of XRP? This kind of knee-jerk reaction is typical, I know. Investors often react emotionally to news, leading to price swings that can be both dramatic and irrational. For example, after the sale, XRP's price barely budged, hovering around 52 cents to 53 cents. It's almost as if investors are saying, "I'll believe it when I see it." Comparison with other cryptos. Okay, when it comes to investing in XRP, it's important to consider how it stacks up against other cryptos. Yes, XRP has some unique features and potential advantages, but it also faces stiff competition from more established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum. One key area where XRP falls short is market capitalization. As of this video, Bitcoin's market cap stands at over $1 trillion, while Ethereum's is around $500 billion. In contrast, XRP's market cap is only around $20 billion, making it a much smaller player in the crypto market. I mean, it's like comparing a well-established restaurant chain to a local food truck. Both serve food, but one has a lot more visibility and customer loyalty. This size difference can have significant implications for investors. Larger cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum tend to be more stable and less volatile than smaller ones like XRP. They also have a larger user base and more widespread adoption, which can make them a safer investment choice. However, we cannot write off XRP just yet. Like I said, it has unique features that set it apart from the big boys. XRP is designed specifically for fast and low-cost cross-border payments. Transactions can be completed in just a few seconds, with fees that are a fraction of a cent. That's why it's so popular among businesses and individuals looking to make fast, low-cost payments. Long-term viability. So, XRP's efficiency is a significant selling point, but let's be honest. One of the biggest questions facing XRP investors is whether crypto has the potential to succeed in the long run. With so many challenges and uncertainties facing the project, it's totally reasonable to wonder whether it will be able to maintain its relevance in the rapidly evolving crypto ecosystem. On the positive side, I believe XRP has some technological advantages that could help it succeed in the long run. The Ripple network is designed to be highly scalable and efficient, with the ability to handle thousands of transactions per second. Ripple has already partnered with over 300 financial institutions globally, which is no small feat, guys. However, XRP faces some risks that could hinder its long-term success. As I mentioned earlier in the video, the ongoing legal battle with the SEC is a major concern. If Ripple were to lose this case, it could have far-reaching consequences for XRP, potentially leading to a ban in the US and other countries. Another risk is the potential for competition from other cryptos and payment systems. As the crypto market continues to evolve, new projects are emerging that could potentially displace XRP as the go-to choice for fast, low-cost payments. Projects like Stellar and Hedera Hashgraph are also designed to be highly scalable and efficient payment systems, and they could potentially steal market share from XRP. Community reactions. Okay, if we talk about the XRP community, well, they are a passionate and vocal group of supporters who believe in the crypto's potential. Interestingly, even within this community, there are diverse opinions and reactions to the challenges facing XRP. Some members remain optimistic about the future, believing that it will ultimately prevail in its legal battle with the SEC and continue to grow and thrive. One Reddit user recently posted, "XRP is the future of payments, and no amount of regulatory uncertainty can stop it. I'm holding onto my XRP and buying more whenever I can." However, other members of the community are more skeptical and believe that XRP's long-term prospects are uncertain at best. One ex-user recently tweeted, "XRP is a sinking ship. The SEC lawsuit is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm getting out while I still can." Well, you can see the diverse reactions. XRP investors are facing uncertainty and risks. Future predictions. So, what does the future hold for XRP and its investors? I think one potential scenario is that Ripple will prevail in its legal battle with the SEC, clearing the way for XRP to continue growing and thriving. In this scenario, XRP could see price appreciation as more investors and businesses adopt it. According to pro-XRP lawyer Bill Morgan, a favorable ruling could send the price of XRP to $5 or more in the next 2 years, only if this scenario plays out. But if Ripple loses the case, it could be a devastating blow. The crypto could face a ban in the US, and its price could plummet to as low as 10 cents or less, according to some analysts. However, it's not all bad. Ripple has been working hard to expand its global reach and partnerships, and the company claims that XRP is currently being used in over 40 countries, with transactions totaling over $10 billion per month. If Ripple can continue to grow its network and attract more financial institutions and payment providers to its platform, I think it could drive up demand for XRP and push its price higher. Some analysts believe that if XRP can achieve a market cap of $1 trillion, its price could reach as high as $50 per token. That's a huge prediction right there. Market sentiment will also play a big role in determining XRP's future. According to Sentiment, a market analytics platform, there is a strong correlation between trader sentiment and price action. As XRP surged recently, bullish narratives became more prevalent on social media, further fueling the rally. If this trend continues, I think it could lead to a self-fulfilling prophecy, where positive sentiment drives up the price, which in turn attracts more investors and generates even more positive sentiment. Of course, the opposite is also true. If negative news and events start to dominate the headlines, it could lead to a collapse in investor confidence and a sharp drop in XRP's price. And that's a wrap. So, what do you think about the future of XRP? Do you believe that crypto has what it takes to succeed in the long run? Or do you think it's just a lost cause? I'd love to hear your opinions and any questions you might have. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on Can XRP's burn rate predict its future price? Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.